Okay, so normally I wouldn't do a haul video for just a single package, but this one is from somebody pretty special. You've probably heard of his YouTube channel. It's called Yoda Speak Translator. He also has a few other channels. Let's see, you've got Jaabo, Jaabo37, Joseph Olson, BrickTsar, TransR Fun, and probably some others that I don't even know about yet. But just in case you haven't heard of them, there's links in the description. And today's a bit of a rant about Bricklink, so I guess I'll just kind of open this up while I'm talking about it. You encounter a lot of different people on Bricklink. And for me, I always gravitate towards the people who are passionate about Lego. You know, it's not just a business venture for them. And you actually tend to get better customer service. And I'll give you an example. I placed this order Thursday of last week. It is currently Monday, and it's on my front porch this morning. It's not just about how fast they get an order out. It's how much they care about getting that order out. Recently, I've had some orders that they were a bit lazy with knowing about the best way to ship things. You know, just kind of overcharging for shipping, even if they don't necessarily know any better. You know, it's one of those things. You know, somebody who's been doing it for a long time and has been a customer themselves is going to be a little more clued into those kind of things. Well, okay, I don't mind that he does this, but these bags are very loud. So I'm going to go ahead and set all these out here. And I'm sure it certainly helped. I'm only one state south of him. But I literally imagine placing an order and like this red light starts blaring in their bedroom. They jump out of bed and they go down the fire pole and start picking the order right then. Because they always get here fast. If not him, his wife helps fix orders too. Let's compare that to a recent experience I've had. I placed an order 2.5 weeks ago, and it literally just shipped yesterday. I was looking at prices for the 3mm rigid tubing, and found a seller in Germany that had 100 and something pieces for a good price. So I was like, yeah, I'll take all of it. So I sent a request for quote. They responded to the quote. I paid for it. And a week later, they tell me they don't have it. They have, I think it was 32 pieces. They're waiting on more to arrive from their warehouse to their warehouse or whatever. But that it could be shipped out in a few days. And I'm like, well, you know, first I asked, how many pieces do you have? And they said 32. And I said, well, a few days, does that include the week-long vacation that's listed on your store? Like you're about to leave. I wouldn't call that a few days if you're going to be out of town for that long. But I mean, all that was in one email. But by the end of it, I'm just like, whatever, ship it. It's still a good price. But I just can't imagine ever listing things in a store I didn't have physically in my hand. That's just crazy to me. I have no idea why anybody would do that. Odds are you're going to get called out. Somebody's going to place that order and you're like, oh, crap. So that's why I like to order from Jaabo. When he has the pieces I have, I'm ordering them. So these are a bunch of red Technic beams. I'm not going to worry about opening it right here. And various links. I think I ordered every red beam he had. Something I like to do, if you're placing an order, if they have 3 11 length beams that you need, and they have 5 in stock, I'll just order all 5. Just so if you've watched them pick orders, that means they get to empty the drawer and be done with it, rather than have a drawer with 1 or 2 pieces in it. So I try to help as much as possible with that. I thought I had more of these, but these are the kind of darker blue translucent pieces, and they don't have the post or pole, I don't know, whatever you call it, thing inside here, so you can use these for your lamps. Because I often color code those, so like blue is going to be for the blue regulator. We're going to get into that. It's taken me a while. It's for a big GBC project. Pretty much all this is going to help me build GBC modules. So we got some light blade. I think these are 14 length Technic bricks, because I just kept running out of them. You know, I'm trying to build up an inventory of pieces I use quite a lot. So that'd be like blade, dark blade, black, Technic beams, bricks, tiles, plates, So there's going to be a lot of that in here. So we'll gloss over them pretty quick. Went to 1x12 blay bricks. These are used quite a lot in GBC. These are they're 5 bricks high. You get the 1x2s, the 1x1s, and I got some blay, dark blay. Different colors in there. More Technic bricks. I realized the other day I had none of these, so this will help quite a bit. I had none of these 1x3. Like, you wouldn't believe the parts I've ran out of recently. Oddly enough, it's kind of an inside joke with BrickTsar that the 2x4 red brick is extremely rare. It's from an old video with his son, and I couldn't find one the other day, so I was having a good laugh at that. And a bunch more of these corner pieces, bricks and plates. I'm always running out of 1x1. That's there. So nothing really special here. 2x6 blade plates. More of those 1x1 tall brick, 5 brick high pieces there. We got some 1x2s blay and dark blay. What are these? These are just, these are 2x8 black bricks. I'm noticing some modules like to use these longer bricks, the 2x8s and the 2x10s, and so I got a few of those. So these are, I think these are 2x12 blay and black. Yeah, here's more 2x8s in blay. These are used quite a bit for like gearboxes and for the structure of a model to keep it together, module to keep it together. So these are various different sizes here. More plates, 1x2s, 1x3s, 1x4s. Some corner pieces. These are in black. I always need more of these. I probably should have ordered more. I might have ordered all I had. I don't remember. Just some more bricks there. Oops, I dropped one. More random bricks there. So like these are used quite a bit in GBC just because it makes it that much easier to see the mechanical functions that are on the interior, or to see the balls. You'll have like an elevator going up. So I just kind of look for panels, and okay, these look good. Through the bag, they looked like yellowed or something, but yeah, these all look. It's just the bag. Got some more here. I don't know how much these are used in GBC. I feel like I've seen them used. And then some of the taller 1x2 panels. Basically, I just looked into the panel section and just scrolled through and just saw whatever they had. These are definitely used quite a bit. I wish I could find these in Pick-a-Brick one day, because they're everywhere. You'll build a module and be, okay, you need 20 of these, so I've been going through those quite a bit. I've actually, my haul this coming Sunday, when you're seeing this, is GBC parts. I might have said these things already because I filmed that before. Like I said, Jaabo just shipped so fast. This video just had to come out. It's crazy. These are 1x16s in dark gray. I need more 1x16s. I think I need a couple reds. I have red ones somewhere because they were in one of the Dacta sets, but I'm gonna find them. Constantly running out of these, and hindsight 2020. I mixed all of these, all of my old gray and the new blay, and it's a nightmare to scoop through them to try to find whatever I'm building. Sometimes I will build a light gray, the old gray. I will look for those pieces if it's going to match a bunch of other items. It's whatever. It's a rabbit hole you don't want to get caught up in. There's some more bricks. These are definitely very handy, and I had run out of red. Just some more kind of random pieces. What are these? Okay, so these are the rubber pieces. These are very handy and used quite often in GBC as well. Some of the black cam pieces and transmission rings. More plates. I don't know what the heck these things are called, but they seem to be used more and more often. I remember seeing this for the first time, like, that's kind of a cool piece. Not that long ago, but it seems like everything I build now has these. They're in like the Galaxy Explorer, things like that. So those are handy to have. A bunch of gears. You never have enough gears. And these are all the pin joiners, I guess you would call them. Got a bunch of them, and some of the, I don't know, one length beams. What do you call these? It's just a ring. So yeah, ordered all that. And then the final thing. Do I take it out of the bag? Do I get this graded? Should I be touching this with my fingers? Thanks, Jaabo, aka BrickTsar. Thank you, bud. I appreciate all this. I appreciate the excellent customer service. Oh, this is still sealed. Oh, man. Oh, wow. Let me get this back in the bag. It's been exposed to the air. Hopefully that doesn't... yeah, so that's really great. I didn't make a note to have it signed. I didn't know if they were just automatically kind of looking for these to show up in orders, or if he already had some made up, but... I appreciate it. I didn't want to hold up the shipping process, because I can be impatient sometimes. But it was an absolute breath of fresh air to order from somebody like Jaabo. Like I said, I'm not even expecting them to show up like that, you know. But all the other, I placed 3 orders Thursday, 1 Friday, maybe 1 Wednesday. I think all of them shipped today, Monday. So they'll get here. It is what it is. That's not too bad. Nothing like that German seller. I mean, by the end of it, it'll be 2 or 3 months before I see those parts total since I ordered. Because shipping from Germany takes a long time, of course. But you know, that's why I think it's a little counterintuitive to people ordering online. They might look and say, "These people have 30,000 sales. They know what they're doing. They're professional." But a lot of times, that just means you're less of a priority for them. If you know what I mean, there's just a little less accountability. You know, maybe look for somebody that's somewhat established, 100 orders or something. They know what they're doing by then, and they've learned some lessons the hard way. And they might be in a better place to know what your experience is going to be ordering from their own experiences. But, you know, that's what I look for. I read splash pages and terms just to see how they're worded, and just, if it's just a list of things, do not do this, do not do this, do not do this. it's a bit of a red flag. Like, these people are going to be so mad that I placed an order in their store. Well, I think that signals the end of the video. So I appreciate you guys watching. Show some love to Jaabo, aka BrickTsar, aka all the other things. He does so much. And be sure to check him out on the A Full podcast. And we will see you in the next one. I haven't heard it in a long time. Go watch BrickTsar.